How to upload statuses on Facebook with background. So in this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how you can add background to your Facebook statuses. So first of all, open the Facebook app, and then on the top, you can see what's on your mind. Click on that, and then click. Now here we can type something like just got posted or anything that you want to post. Now here you can see that there are a list of numbers, this or any of the post. Or if you want some other backgrounds, so just click on this grid over here and you can see all of the backgrounds here. You can select any of these. These are all free and you can just put that, click on post. And now you can see that their status is posted with background. So that was how you can post status on Facebook with backgrounds.